Chair of the Pacific Tourism Organization, Adela Iskar, and SPTE Board Directors, Pacific Tourism Organization Chief Executive, Chris Coker, Tourism Fiji Board Chair, Tourism Fiji Chief Executive, Dr. Perez Pans, valued partners and sponsors, the Pacific Tourism family, members of the media, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, good evening. It is a privilege to stand with you tonight as we come together once again for one of the Pacific's most important tourism events. On behalf of the Fiji government and the people of Fiji, thank you for being here and for your continued commitment to growing tourism across our Blue Pacific. Your presence means more than showing up. It reflects confidence in the Pacific, in our people, and in where we are headed. The South Pacific Tourism Exchange is more than a marketplace. It is where the region comes together. It is how we connect with the rest of the world. SPTE 2026 brings our diversity, resilience, and ambition into one space. It creates opportunities, builds relationships, and opens doors that go far beyond business deals. We live in a region shaped by distance, and platforms such as these help close that gap. It links our islands to global markets, share our stories with the world, and most importantly, connects our people to real economic opportunity. Fiji remains steadfast in its role as a central aviation and tourism hub for the Pacific. We continue to invest in critical infrastructure, expand air connectivity, and strengthen access to global markets. However, this role extends beyond national interest. It carries a clear responsibility to support the broader region. Our national priorities are closely aligned with the wider Pacific development objectives, including enhanced connectivity, sustainable growth, and economic resilience. We view our progress not in isolation, but as a platform to elevate our neighboring island nations. As Fiji advances, so too must the Pacific. This year's theme, Tourism That Connects, Culture, Climate, Community, reflects the very foundation of our Pacific identity. Culture remains central to who we are. It is expressed through our traditions, our stories, and a way of life which continue to distinguish the Pacific on the global stage. Climate is a defining reality for our region. While we are custodians of some of the world's most pristine environments, we are also among the most vulnerable. This makes sustainable tourism not a choice, but a necessity. Community is equally critical. Tourism must deliver tangible benefits to our people through employment, support for local enterprises, and the strengthening of communities. Together, these pillars embody the spirit of the Pacific Vaka, a shared journey guided by collective responsibility and common purpose. Ladies and gentlemen, the future of tourism in the Pacific is grounded in partnership. No nation can advance this sector in isolation. Meaningful progress is achieved when we collaborate, share knowledge, and create opportunities collectively across the region. The Fiji government remains committed to a stronger Pacific built on cooperation, resilience, and inclusion. This requires deep engagements between governments, the private sector, and our development partners. When we advance together, we secure shared and lasting success. As custodians of the world's largest ocean continent, we are bound by more than geography. We are united by a shared vision, a vision of ocean of peace. In a time of global geopolitics brings a sense of heightened uncertainty, the Pacific must remain a resolute zone of stability and peace. As we look at the headwinds ahead, we must keep the vision, oceans of peace, in mind as a shared commitment to ensuring our region is governed by diplomacy, mutual respect, and collective security. This commitment is a vital foundation of our tourism success, offering not just another destination, but a sanctuary where our guests can connect and feel safe. Tourism remains one of the strongest drivers of growth in our region. It supports families, strengthens small businesses, and creates opportunities for young people and entrepreneurs. It also connects us to the global economy. Events like SPTE give our operators direct access to international buyers. They help build lasting relationships and position the Pacific as a destination worth choosing. The world is paying attention. Over the next few days, we show them what we have to offer. Growth on its own is not sufficient. It must be enduring. This is why sustainability remains central to our approach. From safeguarding our natural environment to planning resilient infrastructure, long-term thinking guides how we develop tourism access. We develop tourism across our islands. The principle is clear. If we fail to protect what we have, we ultimately lose the ability to share it with the world. Ladies and gentlemen, I also wish to acknowledge the Women in Business Showcase at SPTE 2026. This is an important step forward. Across the Pacific, women play a central role in tourism and small businesses, yet many remain underrepresented in global markets. Initiatives like this create real opportunity by opening access, building confidence, and strengthening participation. When women succeed, families are supported, communities are strengthened, and economies become more inclusive and resilient. This is how tourism should work. Growth that is shared and progress that reaches everyone. I extend sincere thanks to the Pacific Tourism Organization and the leadership, especially by the Chief Executive Officer, Christopher Coker, for their continued work in advancing tourism across the region. To all partners, sponsors, airlines, and industry stakeholders, your support keeps this sector moving forward. Your investment reflects confidence in the Pacific's future. Ladies and gentlemen, the path ahead is clear. We deepen connections, strengthen partnerships, and build a tourism industry that is resilient, inclusive, and competitive on the global stage. Use this platform to build relationships, exchange ideas, and create opportunities that shape our region's future. To our international guests, I invite you to experience not only Fiji's beauty, but the spirit of the Pacific. And to our Pacific family, let's move together, united, connected, and guided by a shared vision of prosperity across our blue Pacific. With that, ladies and gentlemen, it is my honor to officially declare the South Pacific Tourism Exchange 2026 open. Nakapagalaw.